Hi and welcome back. Imagine walking into a beautifully designed home in Nairobi. The living room features an inviting sunken floor adorned with cozy couches and elegant lighting. It exudes an air of intimacy, modernity, and uniqueness, the perfect space to entertain guests or unwind after a long day. The homeowner beams with pride, explaining how this feature added a touch of class to their home. However, they pause and admit it wasn't always this way. I had my doubts about whether a sunken floor was practical for my family and my budget. This is where our story begins, exploring the feasibility of sunken floors in Kenyan homes. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge to confidently decide if this exciting design choice is right for you. Sunken floors have gained popularity in modern homes worldwide. They create distinct zones within open spaces, offering a sense of intimacy and sophistication. But are they practical in the Kenyan context? Let's start with a key advantage: space optimization. In compact homes, common in urban areas like Nairobi and Kisumu, sunken floors can visually separate areas without the need for walls, making your living space feel larger and more functional. This is especially valuable where land is limited and every square meter counts. But what about practicality? Number one, can they withstand Kenyan's climate? Absolutely, with proper waterproofing and design considerations. Number two, what about cleaning and maintenance? Modern finishes make cleaning as easy as sweeping a regular floor. Now, let's address some potential challenges. Imagine a homeowner who designed their dream home but overlooked one crucial detail: accessibility. For families with elderly members or young children, sunken floors can pose a tripping hazard if not designed carefully. This underscores the importance of professional guidance. At Veewave Enterprises, we have witnessed a spectrum of experiences, from homes where sunken floors became a source of frustration to those where they elevated the design to new heights. The key lies in collaborating with experienced architects, builders, and suppliers, a commitment we uphold for all our clients, many of whom are Kenyans in the diaspora. So, how do you determine if a sunken floor is the right choice for your home? Here are the key factors. Number one, purpose. Is the sunken floor purely aesthetic, or does it serve a functional purpose like zoning or creating storage space? Number two, budget. Sunken floors involve excavation, reinforced flooring, and potentially additional materials. At Veewave Enterprises, we assist you in sourcing high-quality, affordable materials to stay within your budget. Number three, space. Consider the size and layout of your home. Sunken floors are most effective in open spaces where they can make a statement. And finally, number four, safety. Prioritize proper lighting, railings, and anti-slip finishes to prevent accidents. The good news is you don't have to navigate this alone. At Veewave Enterprises, we provide comprehensive construction management services tailored to Kenyan homes. Number one, we connect you with professional service providers who understand your vision. Number two, we source materials for reputable suppliers to ensure quality and durability. And finally, number three, most importantly, we work closely with you to bring your dream home to life within budget and on schedule. Many of our clients are Kenyans in the diaspora who trust us to manage every detail while they are away. Whether it is sourcing materials or overseeing construction, we deliver results that exceed expectations. Planning your dream home can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to budgeting. To assist you, we have created a comprehensive guide, Mastering Construction Budgeting. This ebook is packed with practical tips, strategies, and tools to help you maintain financial control while achieving your vision. Visit our website to order your copy today and confidently take charge of your construction project. Envision this: your family gathers in your sunken living room, enjoying quality time together. Guests marvel at your home's unique design. You feel a sense of pride knowing that every detail, from the material to the final finish, reflect your personal style. This is the power of making informed decisions and partnering with the right team. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on home construction and design. At Veewave Enterprises, our mission is to help you build not just a house, but a home. So, is a sunken floor practical for your Kenyan home? With the right approach, absolutely. Contact us today and let's make your dream home a reality.